Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up SMTP in WordPress for sending emails. Now this video will have everything you need on a step-by-step guide to set up SMTP in WordPress. So without further ado, let's dive right into WordPress dashboard. So here you need to log in to your WordPress and just head to your dashboard. So if you need to create an account first, then just head to the WordPress website. And then once you're there, just create your own WordPress website, and then you should be able to see this dashboard right here. So once you have your WordPress account, we're going to start with getting you set up with an SMTP for sending emails. So here, once you're on the dashboard, just look for the plugins option on the left-hand side of the screen. You should be able to see it right here with this plug icon. And then from here, just select Add New Plugin. Now, once you're here, we're going to look for a particular plugin. So we're just going to search for WP Mail SMTP. All right, so we're just going to enter this on the search bar, and you should be able to see this on the first result. This is basically the Mail SMTP we're going to use for this demo. Now we're just going to install this on our WordPress. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and activate it. So here, just click on Let's Get Started. We'll guide you through each step needed to get WP Mail SMTP fully set up on your site. All right, so here, choose your SMTP mailer. Which mailer would you like to use to send emails? If you're not sure which mailer to choose, you can check out the complete mailer guide for details on each option. So if you open this, then it should give you a nice guide to selecting your WP Mail SMTP mailer. All right, so once that's done, then you should be able to use a specific mailer that you'll be needing or that fits best your business needs. So for this case, we're going to go with Google or Gmail. And then we're going to save and continue. So here, Google/Gmail mailer, the Gmail mailer works well for sites that send low numbers of emails. However, Gmail's API has rate limitations and a number of additional restrictions that can lead to challenges during setup. If you expect to send a high volume of emails, or if you find that your web host is not compatible with the Gmail API restrictions, then we recommend considering a different mailer option. So do take that in mind, but since this is just a demo, we're going to stick with using Google Gmail or Google Gmail mailer. All right, so we're going to use this mailer. Click on Understand and Continue. So here you need to configure your mailer settings. Our Gmail mailer works with any Gmail or Google Workspace account via the Google API. You can send WordPress emails from your main email address or a Gmail alias, and it's more secure than connecting to Gmail using SMTP credentials. So right now they have a one-click setup, which simply asks you to authorize your Google account to use our app and takes care of everything for you. Alternatively, you can connect manually, which involves several steps that are more technical than other mailer options. So we created a detailed guide to walk you through the process. All right, so we can actually go ahead and try their one-click setup. However, it seems that it's locked behind a Pro upgrade, which of course will cost us to subscribe. So that's the one-click setup. So here you just need to input the client ID and client secret. And then before continuing, you'll need to allow this plugin to send emails using your Google account. So once you've set up your client ID and client secret, then you'll be able to connect your Google and authorize it so that you can set it up to your WordPress. All right. So from there, we're just gonna head back to our dashboard real quick. But before that, if you actually choose a different mailer, sometimes it'll ask you for an encryption type, an SMTP port, and your SMTP username and password. Now, these details are usually provided by your email service provider, so just take note of that. But for now, we're going to head back to our dashboard. Let's give it a sec. All right, so now we're back to our dashboard, and once you're done following the prompts of setting up the SMTP integration, which is the WP Mail SMTP, you're going to be able to configure your WordPress site to send emails using WP Mail SMTP. And of course, you can utilize typical providers like Gmail, Outlook, SendGrid, Amazon, SES, or others instead of using PHP Mail, which is less reliable. This also includes email log, which provides a detailed log of all emails sent from your site, including the status, whether it's sent or failed, subject, recipient, and timestamp. So we're going to take a look at this email log right here. All right, so email logging makes it easy to save details about all of the emails sent from your WordPress site. You can search and filter the email log to find specific messages and check the color-coded delivery status. Email logging also allows you to resend emails, save attachments, and export your logs in different formats. So here you have a prompt to upgrade to WP Mail SMTP Pro. So if you want to try that out, then feel free to do so. And there's also what we call multiple mailer support. Now, this allows the system to support various mailers, again, including Gmail or Google Workspace, Microsoft Outlook, Office 365, and for authentication methods, this supports secure authentication methods such as ZeroAuth 2.0, which removes the need to store passwords. There's also a fallback mailer, which is a pro feature. Now, if the primary mailer fails, the plugin can automatically switch to a fallback mailer to ensure email deliverability. We also have HTML and plain text emails, which sends fully formatted HTML emails while maintaining compatibility with plain text formats. All right, there's also some other pro features like the white glove setup, which offers a professional setup service to ensure correct configuration and optimal performance. As for priority support, this provides dedicated customer support for troubleshooting and advanced configuration. So if there's anything else you need from WP Mail Setup, just check out the plugin right here. You have the settings, email log, email reports, tools, and about us, as well as the option to upgrade to Pro. You have the settings here if there's anything you need to configure, license key, setup wizard, and then the email, of course, the from email. And then here you have to toggle this off if you want to ensure that the email setting above will not be used for all emails, ignoring values set by other plugins. Of course, you have the from name and your chosen mailer. You can freely edit this. So just feel free to configure the settings to your satisfaction. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.